Hi guys. Okay, so for this week, a couple announcements I need for you guys to hear before I explain what you're going to do this week. I will be gone on Monday and Tuesday, November 9th and 10th. So that's the Monday and Tuesday right after your fall break. So I may be checking emails, I may not. So don't expect to get a response by email on the 9th or 10th. Also realize that all your material that I'm giving you today is going to be due it'll be due the next Wednesday, the 11th, not the 4th because of your fall break. However, I put due dates of Tuesday night at midnight for November 10th because you guys will have a quiz on Wednesday, and I want all that material done before you guys take that quiz on Wednesday. So my expectation is not that you work over fall break. I gave you the same amount of work that a typical week will have. So you have the rest of this week. You have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday this week. Then you have your fall break. Then you have that Monday, Tuesday to work on it, due Tuesday evening by midnight. Now, if you want to take your fall break and work during that time, that's completely up to you. Just remember that you will have a quiz on the 11th. It'll be open from 8 until 8. Do not cheat. You can use a pencil and a calculator on that quiz, and that is all. That also means that I will not have a question and answer session on Tuesday the 10th. I will have a question and answer session this Friday, which is the 30th, from 10:45 to 11:15. Go to meet.google.com. Geometry help is the code word. I think that's all. As another reminder, though, please do not start your math work the Monday or Tuesday before it's due on Wednesday. I understand that you may do a certain subject a day. I do not recommend doing that, okay? I recommend doing a little bit of math, 45 minutes a day for the 5-6 days that you have it, to complete it that way. Then if you have a question, you can actually get your question answered, okay? Or if you need something like a printout, you can get that prior to it being due. So please use every single day to actually work on math. Okay, so for this week, I am in Unit 2 folder. We're in the Reasoning and Proofs folder. This is week 8. Here's the what to do. Print that off, cross it off as you do it. 2.3 notes, then there's a 2.3 homework assignment. Then this is a logic puzzle that goes with deductive reasoning. And then there's 2.4 notes and 2.4 homework. And there's 2.5 notes, there's 2.5 homework. This quiz review will be open also. The quiz will not be open until Wednesday, but this quiz review will be open with 2 attempts on it, and that is all. Everything that I just spoke about is due Tuesday, November 10th by midnight. The quiz will be open on Wednesday, November 11th. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I will talk to you guys later.